Can I give the following girls 16-155, boys Nick Kelly and Carson Martin to the awards stand, and then boys juniors 138, 144, 175, 165, 150, 16U, 150, 14U, 165, and 14U, 110. I'll go through it again. Girls, 16U, 155. Boys, Wayne Kelly and Carson Martin report to the award stand. And then boys brackets, juniors, 138, 144, 175, 165, 150, 16U, 150, 14U, 165, and 14U, 110. We need some table workers at mat 11. Table workers to mat 11. We also need table workers at mat 2. Table workers at mat 2.
That was what I do walked up to me earlier. First was wrestling, that was good. Yeah, I'm still in the first on one and a couple matches. Lifesaver, I'm gonna go focus this.